Right. Oh, this looks like a interesting place to go and have a little look. Let's go in here for a minute, shall we? So to come and fly my little drone for a while. Okay. Let's get a closer look here, shall we? Right. Yeah, this looks pretty wild, pretty interesting as well. Nice and quiet, way out in the sticks, just how I like it.
Home point updated.
Okay. Here we go then. Wish me luck. I'm going to need it. Right.
Home point updated.
Get filming. And away we go. Right. Come on. Let's see how we can get on, eh? Right. There's lots of things out there. Twigs, leaves, branches, trees, stuff. All nice stuff, mine, but I just want to have a lovely fly around. I really do enjoy doing this, you know. Ooh, a sense of freedom, let's say, to fly around, skin your teeth, explore the wood. You know, we might see something, we might not. Stick it on the old big screen there, guys. Big thanks for Peter, who does my little video and animations, whatever it is, for me. Does an excellent job. Thank you, Peter. Much appreciated. Link down below to Peter's website for those guys who want any kind of, I don't know, animation, what you want to call it. Can't even say the word. My gosh. I've not even had a drink yet. I need a cup of coffee, I think. Anyway, so there's a few things to talk about, isn't there? The obvious, Donald Trump back in the White House again. I honestly thought that the Democrats played a blinder having Kamala Harris as their nominee for the White House. I thought that was a game changer for them, but how little do I know, eh? There we go. Anyway, so there we go. So we've got 4 years of the Donald. I'm not sure how he's going to manage or how he's going to do. Okay, I'm just getting a little bit of pixelation on my screen. I'm just going to have to take my drone back a little bit. Have got my spotters out there, by the way. So as always, of course, I need to be legal, obviously. Anyway, yeah, so the Don. Okay, the Don's back in. I think the way the world has been going over the past, say, 4 years or so, I'm, in a sense, quite happy about that. Just because I just don't think things can get any worse than they already are. You know, never before have we been so close to nuclear apocalypse than we have in the past couple of years. A bit worrying. I'm just hoping that the Don is going to be a safe pair of hands, because let's face it, you know, he is going to be the most powerful man on the planet, okay? And we do need a safe pair of hands just to guide us through out of the sticky situations which we are currently finding ourselves in. Now, I'm not a politically motivated channel. These are just my views. Your views might differ to mine. They probably do. That's absolutely fine. But I think we can probably all agree that the past few years has been a bit of a rough ride for the human race. I'm just kind of hoping that things are going to get better quickly. I'm not sure that's going to happen, mind. I think these things are going to take time. I don't know how long it's going to take for, you know, the damage to be repaired. I hope it's going to be sooner rather than later. I don't know. I just feel that at the moment, I think 4 more years of Biden, Obama, Harris, I think would have been troublesome. That's my take on it anyway. But you might have a different take on it, and that's absolutely fine. You know, we're not all the same, are we? We've all got different ideas, different things going on. I don't know. He's saying an awful lot of things at the moment, as he always does. Let's just see if he can pull these things through. He did say, I don't think he's going to be able to do this, by the way. He says, on day one, I will have the Iran-Israel war sorted out. I don't think that's the case. I think Netanyahu and Trump are best buddies. I think that Netanyahu is very pleased that Trump's in power, because I think it kind of gives him a green light almost to bomb the absolute hell out of Hezbollah, Hamas, the West Bank, perhaps the Golan Heights in Iran. It's a worrying situation. Very worrying. I think under the Democrats, Netanyahu didn't have so much of a free rein, but I think the Democrats were very soft. They didn't have much of a backbone, I don't think. I think at least with Trump, you don't quite know what you're getting. That might be a good thing, because the naughty boys around the world, like maybe Vladimir Putin and Rocket Man over in North Korea, they might behave themselves like they did when Trump was in power the last time, 2016 to 2020. Yeah. But we'll see what goes with that. I think all we're looking for at the moment is just a bit of peace. And when Trump was in power last time, that's kind of what we got. You know, there were literally no wars going on. He didn't start a war. I think he tried to make peace with Putin. He tried to make peace with North Korea. I think he was the first American president to actually go to North Korea ever. So that's quite commendable. Fair play to him for doing that. Anyway, we shall see what goes, guys. We shall see. Anyway, that was the elephant in the room, which need to be spoken about, and I've kind of done that. I don't know if I've done it any justice, mind. That's just basically my take on things. I think we've all got different takes on these things, haven't we? Anyway, let's concentrate on some flying, shall we? I think I'm doing rather well at the moment. I don't think I've hit anything. A few little twigs and things coming up from the ground, I think. But that's pretty obvious when you're flying by the skin of your teeth. Whoop, here we go. Oh well, there we go. Spoke too soon, didn't I? I spoke too soon, guys. I spoke too soon. We have found my drone. Right, there we go. When DJI Neo seems to be intact. No damage to the gimbal, no damage to the props. This thing is pretty much indestructible. What a great little drone this is. Right, we have got 45% battery power left. I think that's probably enough to go for another flight, you know. Okay, right, we shall get filming. I shall take it off, go into an impossible environment. I mean, literally, this is going to be really, really tough to get through this little bit. But I just want to do it. I'm a bit of a, I don't know, I'm a bit of a challenge seeker, let's say. He likes these little challenges. But such a lovely little wood, this one. It really, really is. And it's nice and quiet as well. Peaceful. Apart from when I come here with the angry bee, destroying the peace and quiet and the solitude. But you know, just to get out of the town to oh, squirrel, just get out of the town to just enjoy this kind of environment, this to me is just like heaven on earth. It really is. I was planning on going to where was I going to go to? West Woods, out near Marlborough. I was going to go there today, but I was a little bit stuck for time. Oh, there's someone out there, I think. Yeah. Okay, someone's dog. I think I'll bring the drone back, actually. I don't really want to interact with human beings. That's probably a wise thing to do. We're just going to bring it back a little bit, I think, and bring it this way. Yeah, you can just see the absolute beauty of this place. It really is lovely. I really do enjoy these places, you know. Right, looks like there's a bit of a path there. So I don't really want to go on any path, so I think I'll bring it back into the wood. I much prefer to fly in the woods at fairly low level, as you can imagine. We are getting down to very low battery level now, guys. It's going to start bleeping at me any moment probably, but I just want to just try and see if I can just squeeze out a little bit more fly time with this battery. Yeah, you get about 15-17 minutes fly time, I think, with one of these batteries. It's not a huge amount, but it's just really enough for me to explore a small portion of the wood, which is great. There we go. Right, okay. Just a little bit more, just a little bit more, just a little bit further. Let's see if I can do a bit of a big arc. Bring it round, shall we? Okay, alright. I don't think I can go there. I'm gonna have to go this way, I think. Yeah. Right, home point is through here, so I'm gonna head directly to the...
low battery warning.
Okay.
Landing.
No, don't land. Gotta keep you going, my boy. Keep you going for as long as I possibly can. Don't land, don't land. Come on. Come on, you can do this. You can get back home. You're about 80-90 meters away. I can just squeeze a little bit more out of this. Just get you back. Quick time. Right, I'm going to go hammering it back now, guys. Okay, we're going to hammer it back to the home point. Oh shit.
Critically
Okay.
low battery warning.
Oh well, we nearly made it back.